Good morning students. In my previous video lesson you have been taught how to form passive voice from different kinds of tenses. Today in this video lesson I will teach you how to form passive voice from different kinds of sentences. So I will start from imperative sentence. So for the formation of the sentences that express command or request, you have to use at first let, then object, then be, then third form of the verb. First example is post this letter. So at first let, then object this letter, then be, then third form of the verb. Let this letter be posted. Second, shut the windows. So same method will be applied. Let, then object the windows, then be, then shut. Student, shut will be shut in all the three forms. Second way of making this sentence is you are ordered to shut the windows. If you think this sentence is expressing order, you have to use this method. You are ordered. You can also write this sentence in the same manner. You are ordered to post this letter. Second is request or advice. For request or advice, you have to use at first you are requested if sentence is expressing request, or if sentence is expressing advice, then you have to start the sentence with you are advised, then to, then first form of the verb, then object. So first example is kindly grant me leave. This sentence is expressing request. So at first you will write you are requested, then to, then first form of the verb. Here it is grant, then object me, then other words. You are requested to grant me leave. Next sentence is keep to the left. This sentence is expressing advice. So you have to write at first you are advised, then to, then first form of the verb, to infinitive, to, then first form of the verb. Here it is keep, then other words, to the left. This is the way of forming such type of sentences. Next I will teach you where you don't have to use by before the object, when the doer of the action is completely unknown or quite clear who the doer is. In these two cases you don't have to use by before the object or before the subject in passive, what I told you. First example is the public elected him the chairman. It is obvious that representatives are elected by the public. So here he was elected chairman. It is clear. Chairman was elected by the public. So there is no need to use by the public. He was elected chairman. They found him stealing. Students, it is clear that the person was found stealing. Some people saw him. So you don't have to use by them. He was found stealing. Police arrested the thief. So thieves are arrested by the police. It is quite clear. So there is no need to use by police. The thief was arrested. It is enough. Somebody broke the window pane. The window pane was broken. Somebody is quite means ki somebody means someone, some person that is unfamiliar, unknown. So there is no need to use by. Only the window pane was broken. Now I will teach you sentences where modals are used and how to form passive from such sentences. You can solve my problem. Here it is can is modal. You have to use be with the third form. First of all you have to write object that will become subject here, my problem, then can be, then third form of the verb solve, then by, then subject. Here you will be you. Second, may. This is also a modal. You have to use be, then third form of the verb. So he may help you. Again it will become subject. You may be helped by him. So this is the method of forming different kinds of sentences from active to passive. Students, just practice. You will learn. Practice will help you to learn all the rules. Practice is must. So keep practicing.